Hey everyone, welcome to the How to PC channel. My name is Nick, and today I would like to show you how to stake USDT on Bybit. So let's get started. Well, staking allows you to passively earn money on your capital, and for example, in our case, we will earn on USDT. So what we need to do to stake our USDT? First of all, transfer your money from your unified trading account to funding account. Here you can see that now I have 132 USDC on my funding account, and after that you need to go to your earn account. You can just click right here or hover your mouse over assets and find here earn. Click on it. Now at the top right find the go earn button and click on it. Okay, and here you'll find the list of all products: USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. So you can stake these coins. So let's try to stake our USDT. Bybit offers two options of staking: flexible and fixed. In the first case, we will be able to withdraw our money at any time, while in the second case, we need to wait for a certain period of time to receive our staking income. And unfortunately, the percentage isn't particularly high, so it's desirable to have a large capital to earn on it. So let's try to use flexible savings. Just click on Buy Now. Now you need to click on the Stake Now button. Let's do it. By the way, here you can find ARP. So it's really important to know. If you have less than 500 USDT, you will get the first percentage, 9.42. If you want to stake more than 500 USDT, the percentage is 4.42. And here you can find real-time ARP. You need to enter here amount. Let's click on max and check this checkbox. I have read and agreed to agreement for Bybit savings. Okay, and that's all. Just click on stake now. Wait a bit. Here you can find, and after that you'll see that on your earn account page. And of course, if you want to unstake your USDT, you need to click on this button. Click on it and confirm it. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye bye.